So I actually filmed this video before COVID-19 completely spiraled into what it's become. We are in New York. We are very, very close to the epicenter of the coronavirus. So I just feel like I wasn't even gonna post this video, but I think everyone can just use something nice and lighthearted and fun right now. So I'm gonna give you this masterpiece and I hope you love it. And Parmesan definitely loved the making of this video. Didn't you, honey? Yes, he did. So I hope you guys like it. Yeah, I haven't really updated you guys on our relationship or anything. We're still together, we are thriving, we're happy, we're in love, everything's great. So I'll try to film more and make sure to subscribe. Hello friends. Today I'm at the park. It's like the first nice day that we've had. It's like 64 degrees, something like that. I'm gonna take my cat for a walk right now, guys. It'll be a Parmesan and Mommy's day. Sarah's gonna meet me here now. She should have been here at the same time as me, but time management. She's not great at that. I know what you're gonna say. Like, of course, you are only making lesbian vlogs or like cat vlogs, and of course the cat vlog would be so extreme you would actually push him around a public park in a stroller. And you know what, it is quite extreme, and I'm glad you noticed, and that's just how we roll around here. Roll like a stroller. It's rolling. I've never seen him react to like being outside before. He's an indoor cat. He's very much an indoor cat. So I'm kind of excited to see like his face. He's probably gonna smell a lot and stuff, you know. He's gonna be like, what the hell? So I'm excited just to see him like be an animal in nature. First sunny day of the year. What are you guys doing? Or what did you do? What is your plan on the first nice day of the year after the winter? What do you do? Maybe you do nothing. That's fine. I don't care. Do nothing. There's like trails and stuff around here, so I'm sure we'll find somewhere to walk. Yes. Say hi. Are you excited? No, you're not. Well, I have him ready here. I have a cat stroller. Yes, I do. And his water bottle, which fills, he drinks, and then you put it back in. Pretty cool. I know, he's all excited now. He loves this water bottle. Right, honey? Hi, honey. Where are you? Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Hi. Hey, guys. He's so bougie. He looks so comfortable. Aw, is that your child? Yeah. He's turning his whole body around. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hello.
There's a whole
Good
road
boy.
out there. There's McDonald's 5 minutes away.
Alright, now that I've actually edited it, I didn't realize how little footage I had. So that was pretty much it. Like, we got some food after that. We got like McDonald's and we ate in the car and like had like a date ourselves. And that was our day. I hope you guys liked that. I really do. Don't judge me. Don't forget to subscribe.